Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a Charlie's nail art haul. As most of you know, I'm a brand ambassador for Charlie's. So I will put my discount code on the screen and it's always down below for all my videos. So whenever you make an order, you get a nice little handwritten note, which I think is lovely. And at the moment, Charlie is Easter. And these are all their different platforms that you can find her on. So that's all the different ones there. So let's get started. So first off, I ordered some more of the caviar beads. I really like her caviar beads. So I ordered pink, white, gold and silver, and it tells you that they are 4 grams each. I always seem to pick up these whenever I make an order. They're just so handy. So I ordered some of the bling. So these are little guns. The camera will focus. So let me just try and get one out. Oh, or both. So this is what they look like. So if I show you the back of one and the front of another. So the back is like that, and that is the front. I do already have some of these. But yeah, I just think they're very unique, and obviously they are very inexpensive. I ordered a couple of the new bunnies, all gearing up for Easter. So again, if I show you the back and the front, so you know what they look like. So this is the back and that is the front. So you have a cute little pearl where the tail is. I will post some pictures at the end just so you can have a look. And some more bunnies. These are bunny heads. I did order the Valentine stuff, but it's gone Valentine's now, so I don't know. I might still share it. So that is what they look like at the front. Very cute. A lot of detail on there. And that's what the back looks like. Very cute. And I also ordered some of the Jesus as well. So again, we've got the front and the back. So there's quite a lot of detail on there. And then that's the back there. So, yeah, very nice, very unique. I don't have anything else like that. I also ordered some nail stickers because I think these are really nice. Let me just very quickly get them out. I should have got them out before. So this is what they look like, and they are the Paris ones because I have an idea in mind what I want to do with them. So that is them there. Very cute, very pretty. I will probably still do the Valentine's haul. I'll still probably do that. So now we have a whole bunch. No, let's do glitters next, I think. So these are the newer glitters that she's got. So she's got some golden crosses, and these are super holographic and they're very thin. So what I will do is at the end I will get them out and I will post pictures of them out of the packets, just so I don't have to try and do them on camera. So we have some matte white bunny heads, so little rabbit heads, super cute. And we also have some raindrops, and this is 3mm mix and you get 3 grams. So they are really pretty. I love the colours. Oh. And I also got the multi-mixed, which these obviously you can tell the difference. One is pastel and one is brighter. There is different sizes in there. Very pretty. And I also ordered Vibrance sequin mix. So these are like paper thin. So you have some hexagons, some stars or starfish, flowers, diamonds, all sorts of different stuff in there. Very pretty colours. And I also ordered Wizard's Wonderland, which you've got a bunch of different shapes in there. So you've got stars, moons, circles, different size circles like small and medium. You have some butterflies. There you go, a whole bunch in there. Very, very pretty. And I also ordered Joyful. And this is a very pretty mix. It's sort of you've got iridescent like hexes in there, different size ones. Very pretty. And I also ordered this one as well. This is another like hexagon mix. So you have different size hexagons and they are different colours. Really, really pretty. I also ordered this one. I think this is like similar to the other one. Yeah, it is. Spring Meadow. I think I probably already have this. So you have little feet, little rabbit paw print, rabbit footprints in there, and you have bunny heads, and it's iridescent green. Very, very pretty. And I also ordered Spring Awakening. Trying to shake it up so you can see it. So this is another sort of hexagon mix. You can see it better this way. So I'm sure there's stuff hidden in there. What is that? I am not sure what that is. Is it a heart? Yes. It's a heart, and yeah, I'll have to get it out and show you properly. So that is that one there. So let me get these foils out. Give me 1 second. Okay, so the first one is Floral Bliss. So I had to do all of this off camera. And here we go. So this is what this one looks like, and it's really, really pretty. Got lots of different flowers on there. Really, really pretty colours. So that is that one. Next one is Vintage Floral. So this is what this one looks like. So again, it's a really, really pretty floral one. Really lovely colours on that one as well. Next one is Floral Bird Song. And oops, this is what this one looks like. Oh, it's really, really pretty. Camera's not focusing now. So this is what this one looks like. So you have all different birds on here. I don't have anything else like this. Camera. You've got butterflies and you've got all different birds. It's absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to use it. Really, really pretty. Really pretty, that one. Next one is Blossom Frost. And this one is on a blue background, and it's got 2 shades of pink flowers, and you've got leaves and blue flowers. Really, really nice. Pink Floral Hedgerow. That's a bit of a mouthful. This is what it looks like. Camera don't wanna. So this is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty. Got different coloured flowers on there. It's really pretty. I like that it's on a clear backing as well, so you'll still be able to see your base colour through it, which is really nice. Also English Country Garden. I'll try and go a little bit quicker if I can. This one is on a green background, and you have like I can't think what the name is, but them coloured flowers. I can't think what the name is off the top of my head. So that is that one there, and also this one. So this is, it's got a hollow background. Really fiddly. And as you can see, it's like glittery hollow, if you know what I mean. And then you have the pink and blue flowers on it. And then we have spring flowers. There's quite a lot of foils this time. Which is yeah, all different flowers. Really, really pretty. There you go. Lots of different flowers on that one. And again, it's a clear backing. And also this one, red rose. Which, as you can see, is roses. Very pretty. And then we have lilac floral. Fiddly. Which is this one. Really, really pretty. Really pretty. I really like that one. It's really nice. And then we have this one as well. I do have another haul from Charlie's, so what I will do is I will do part 1 and probably part 2 or something. So this is this one, really, really colourful, really, really pretty. I like the background colour as well, it's really nice. And then we have Floral Delight. This is the second to last one, and then I will record another one. So this one again is on a clear backing, and you have so many different colours. Look at all them colours. Wow. Very, very nice. Oranges, blues, yellow. Oh, little bit of pink. Very, very nice. And then the last one for this haul is this one. And it's very, very pretty. I like this one a lot. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Oh wow, I want that on my nails. I might have to do a design, if I can, on my own nails using this foil, because it is gorgeous. So that is that one there. Really, really pretty. I can't pick a favourite out of these foils. I know there's a lot again. So yes, I will record the other 2 hauls and probably post one in the morning or something and one later on, and then I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but these are all the foils and glitters at the moment. And yeah, I will get started on the next one. So I will post some pictures at the end of everything that I've got today. And don't forget, if you do place an order from Charlie's, don't forget my discount code. You can save yourself some money. It's all about saving the pennies. And her products are such good quality as well, and she is lovely. And if any of you ever have any problems with your orders or your questions or anything, just contact her and she's always willing to help. So yes, that is enough for today. Let me know down below what you think about these, and yep, I will post some pictures at the end and get started on the next one. Okay, hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.